Hey YouTube, so tonight I've taken out the other seat, the passenger seat, to reveal some more rot. For some reason I go at patching the inner sill up. It's not a very good job, no seam sealer on it. The floor does seem to be in pretty good condition. So it's basically just the inner sills and part of the floor, but that's where the problem lies. So I'm going to cut everything out and replace it with new. New wiring loom. It's just a mess. So dashboard is ready to come out now. Taking most of the carpet out, just a couple of little bits. It's nice to get rid of the smell of rat pee and poo. Windscreen is out now. I ain't got in the usual places. Finally the engine lift is in place, ready for the engine coming out on Saturday. So that'll be fun.